Like I told her that she okay with it, and she told me it wasn't okay.
I said I can't go outside, man, because it's so cold outside in there.
What side is this? What side? I can go outside. But that's cold.
Because it's so cold, there's snow and everything. Not like our country.
So now we don't go outside never again?
No, I say.
You stupid girl. Don't talk like that to me like this. I go ow. Ow. I don't like it.
Who's coming outside?
Someone's coming in our house. We're gonna
With
get scared.
guns.
911. We're chilling with no makeup on. Celebrity style.
I get the phone right this way.
I like the phone this way. Is BlackBerry. Back in the days.
This
Is the best one.
very black thing.
Don't play like this one. This one flip sideways. This one do this like that. And that one is don't do. My name is not for you.
Don't do it like this.
I go to the place and they tell me it's okay. Then I tell them no, don't tell me I gotta poop. Ow. I don't like it. I don't keep looking at you because I have an attraction to look at myself.
Me too. I can't look at you. I say I gotta look
I
at
can't look
myself
you.
because
I
I'm
can
so
tell me-
pretty.
I can tell you this. I can tell you that. Rato.
So today I went outside and I see the bear. I run for my life. I run.
It's my
I get
dog.
these 3 dots in the face.
My dog, she's so cute. It's her dog, actually. Say hello to my little friend. See, she's my little friend. She put her finger and thing like this.
She's so vicious, man. She'll rip you
kill you.
insides. She'll turn you inside
My
out,
little
bro.
taco dog.
She'll turn you inside
Tell
out,
you
bro.
what's going on because she don't play around. Look at this collar, it's crazy.
Look at these paws, bro. Those nails. Come on.
They don't play with little doggies like this before. Because she's so cute, she lick her nanny. Go down.
She's bleeding. She's bleeding, I say. She's bleeding.
Don't tell me this like that. Okay, let's watch this. We out. We're watching it
Later.
now. We watching you, watching us, watching it. Say something.
Whoa.